Japan is a beautiful island country in East Asia. It is famous for its culture, technology, samurai, and traditions. Today, we will look at the history of Japan from ancient times to modern days. 1. Ancient Japan 030 100. Thousands of years ago, people lived in small villages. Jomon period, hunters, gatherers, and pottery makers. Yayoi period, rice farming started, and tools became better. These people slowly built the foundation of Japanese society. 2. The first emperor and Chinese influence. 1 Yedun 130. Around the 3rd century, powerful clans appeared. The emperor became the main ruler, believed to be from the sun goddess. Japan learned writing, Buddhism, and government systems from China. Even with foreign influence, Japan kept its own culture. 3. Samurai and feudal Japan 130 200. Japan's history is famous for the samurai, the warrior class. Samurai followed a code called Bushido, valuing loyalty and honor. The shogun had real power, while the emperor became a symbol. The country was divided into regions ruled by lords called daimyo. 4. Isolation and peace 230. In 1603, Tokugawa Ieyasu became shogun. Japan had peace for over 250 years. Borders were closed and trade with foreign countries was limited. This helped Japan protect its culture, but it also slowed progress. 5. Modern Japan, Meiji era, 230 312. In 1868, the shogun system ended and the emperor returned to power. Japan opened to the world and modernized quickly. Railways, factories, schools, and new technology were introduced. The samurai class disappeared and Japan became a modern country. 6. Japan in World War II 330. Japan became a strong military power in the 20th century. It fought wars in Asia and joined World War II. In 1945, after devastating bombings, Japan surrendered. 7. Modern Japan today 330 4. After the war, Japan focused on peace and progress. The economy grew fast and technology improved. Today, Japan is known for robots, cars, anime, and rich culture. From ancient villages to modern cities, Japan's history is inspiring. Thank you for watching.